Zombie apocalypse.
Welcome to our traveling wave, where we explore the beautiful city of Vancouver. Vancouver is a city where glass towers rise beside ancient forests and the Pacific Ocean. And here, nature isn't a distant backdrop, it's woven into daily life. Imagine waking up to snow-capped mountains, breathing in air scented by pine and sea. Residents can stroll sandy beaches in the morning, then hike mountain trails by afternoon. This closeness to the wild shapes Vancouver's culture and community. People here cherish green spaces and clean waters, fueling a passion for conservation and outdoor living. The city's beauty is an active part of life, not just scenery. Vancouver sits between the coast mountains and the Pacific, creating a tapestry of rainforests, shorelines, and wetlands. This diversity makes it a paradise for nature lovers. It's a living example of how cities and wilderness can thrive together. In Vancouver, the wild is never far away. It's a place where the modern world and nature truly coexist. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell button to receive all new updates. Let's start our journey. The North Shore Mountains tower over Vancouver, a constant, awe-inspiring presence. Grouse Mountain is a year-round playground, skiers in winter, hikers in summer, all just minutes from the city. Ride the gondola for sweeping views, city, ocean, and distant islands. These mountains are cloaked in ancient temperate rainforest. Walk among towering Douglas fir and western red cedar, sunlight filtering through a lush green canopy. The forest floor is alive with ferns, moss, and the quiet movement of wildlife. Black-tailed deer, squirrels, and even coyotes call these woods home. Birdsong fills the air, Pacific wrens, stellars, jays, and more. Trails for every ability wind through this wilderness, offering peace and adventure. Here, nature is accessible, just steps from urban life. Mountains and forests are a reminder of our deep connection to the wild. In Vancouver, wilderness is never out of reach. It's a sanctuary for both people and wildlife. Vancouver's soul is shaped by the Pacific Ocean. The city's coastline is a mosaic of bays, inlets, and beaches, each with its own character. The English Bay buzzes with life in summer, while Kitsilano and Wreck Beach offer dramatic views and quiet escapes. The ocean is alive, harbor seals pop up near shore, and orcas sometimes glide through the Georgia Strait. Every year, millions of salmon return from the sea, fueling a cycle of life for bears, eagles, and more. Water is a source of recreation and wonder, kayaking, sailing, or simply watching the sunset. Storm or calm, the sea is always present, shaping the city's rhythm. Vancouver's beaches and waters are a playground for all. The ocean here is a thriving ecosystem, not just a view. It's a place where city and sea are inseparable. To experience Vancouver is to feel the pulse of the Pacific. The ocean's energy is part of daily life. Stanley Park is Vancouver's wild heart, a 1,000-acre rainforest at the city's edge. The seawall circles the park, offering stunning views of forest, ocean, and skyline. Venture inside and you're beneath centuries-old cedar and fir, far from city noise. Park teems with life. Raccoons, herons, and countless birds find sanctuary here. Stanley Park is more than nature, it's a place of culture and history. The totem poles at Brockton Point tell the stories of the land's First Nations peoples. Here, art and nature intertwine, connecting past and present. Park is a living symbol of Vancouver's commitment to preserving wild spaces. It's a refuge for both wildlife and people. In Stanley Park, the city's spirit and its wilderness are one. What sets Vancouver apart is its seamless blend of city and wild. Nature isn't just nearby, it's part of daily life. Eagles soar above skyscrapers. Seals swim past waterfront cafes. Green corridors and parks connect neighborhoods, supporting both people and wildlife. The outdoor adventure is a way of life. Kayaking, hiking, cycling, all within reach. This harmony is no accident. It's the result of thoughtful planning and a deep respect for the land. Vancouver's residents embrace the outdoors, building a vibrant, healthy community. The city proves that urban life and wilderness can thrive together. To visit Vancouver is to experience this rare balance. It's an invitation to explore, to reconnect with nature, and to be inspired. Here, the wild and the modern world truly meet. This concludes our tour in Vancouver. I hope you enjoy this trip and find helpful tips for your next adventure. Vancouver is a city full of beauty, art, and history, and is definitely worth a visit. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more travel content. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. This is Traveling Wave. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.